This is about the 3D modeling slick villa with water features for the first session. Okay, first of all, we can choose the rectangle in here. We can click and place to this position in here. Okay, the dimension is around 14 and also the 35 meter in here, or maybe we can make it more shorten, around 30 meter. Then we can click and push it up, type 300 millimeter and triple click and also make group. Okay, then now we can click and select move, type control. Okay, and then we can move it up, type 5 meter in here. Okay, and then now we can make the rectangle and click from this position to this position, click, triple click, and now we can just offset it inside in here and erase the unnecessary line over there. Click and push it up until the position in here and triple click and just make group in here. Okay, then now we can duplicate all multiple up to the upper position in here. Okay, then now we can determine about the opening position in here. We can click and select move and just place to the position in here. Okay, then now we can just place to the position. Okay, and also for the top floor in here, you can select move, and then just place and select move, type control and move, and just place to the position in here and on the position and also on this position in here. Okay, and after that now we can select the glass and assign about the glass materials in here. Okay, then now we can just assign this one, or maybe we can add more glazing in here and assign, and then now we can determine about the cladding system of this luxury villa in here. Okay, then now we can click on the top and also the bottom surfaces in here and erase. Click and erase this one. Okay, and after that now we can select the color and select the gray color in here on this position in here, and then now we can we can click and make the rectangle, make the horizontal over there, and then now we can make the line rectangle and push it to the front in here and click and select move, type control and just place, and then now we can just place to this position in here. Okay, and then now we can make group and push it up in here. Okay, and maybe we can make more elements in here. Okay, you can push it up until the position, you can triple click and make component, then just create. Now we can select move, type control and just place, type 6/ and enter in here. So it will be just like this, and then now we can click and push it to the another side in here and push it to the another side in here. Okay, to make the shading in here, just like this, and extend about this one. Okay, and just make the rectangle in here and push it down in here on this until the position in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, and after that now we can assign about the cladding position. Okay, just like this one, and now we can assign about the marble elements in here. We can assign with the marble on this way. Then now we can also assign about this marble in here. Okay, we can make group in here. Okay, just like this, and then now we can make the rectangle there and make the pool in here. Okay, then now we can make the curve and make the curve in here of this swimming pool and make the extension of this swimming pool area in here. Okay, and erase. Okay, then now we can assign about the water materials in here. We can assign with the water materials, and now we can assign this one, and now we can select the wood materials, or we can just select the cladding and assign about the cladding materials in here. Okay, just like this, and now we can make another landscape in here. We can select the stone, or maybe we can just make this one and we can make the landscaping on this position in here. Then we can make group in here. And after that, okay, now we can make the another fence with the another barrier area in here. We can assign with the barrier area. Okay, can assign this one. Okay, and after that, now we can make the another action. We can make this action and assign about the color. Okay, I think this one, and select move, tap control. We can make the another complementary area in here, like table, outdoor dining table in here, on the position in here. Okay, maybe we can make like a small infinity here. Okay, we can make assign with landscape in here, and then we can click and select move, tap control, and just explode this one and explode again. Okay, sorry, we can select this one and select my group and just scale it down. I'm sorry. We can just scale it down and scale this one to be a little plant, little landscape or vegetation in here. Okay, just like this. So it's just look like a swimming pool, infinity pool in here. Okay, it's just like this. And then now we can also assign with another component. Okay, maybe we can select the component with the existing component on this SketchUp, and we can add more complementary element in here, and another one in here, and this one. Okay, so it should be more representative in anyway. And okay, we can make the another things in here. Can extend, and then we can explore more materials, this one with this position here. Okay, just like this. And now we can activate about the shadow in here. Okay, so this is about the situation about the shadow when we add the shadow, and this is about the situation when we add another outline in here. This is about the 3D modeling a slick villa with water features for the second session, like this. Okay, and after that, now we can deactivate about the shadow. Okay, then now we can make the ones again about the villa design in here. We can make the rectangle approximately 31 and 18 millimeter in here. Then now we can click and push it up, type 300 millimeter, and make group. Then now we can select move, tap control. Then now we can place to the position in here and make the rectangle. Click and offset it inside in here and erase. Then now we can push it up and double click, make group. Okay, then now we can duplicate again about this rectangle in here. Okay, and duplicate again about this one. Okay, we can just move this one. Okay, now we can just scale with this one. We can use this scale. Okay, and then now we can make the cylinder support in here. Okay, we can just make group and select move, tap control, and just place and make again in here. Okay, now we can make this one and push it up in here. Okay, just like this, and click and select move, tap control. Now we can just place and click and copy and paste in place and push it up in here. Okay, just like this, and push it to the front in here and triple click and make group. Okay, then now we can make group in here. Okay, we can triple click and just offset it inside in here, a little bit in here, and push it up type 1 meter. And okay, we can make group. Okay, we can select the glass in here, and now we can determine about the position of the opening. We can select move tab control and just place. Okay, we can determine this one and also this position. Select move tab control. Okay, just like this, and then now we can determine about the concrete. Okay, and now we can determine again about the color. Okay, we can determine about the color position, and we can just click and offset it inside in here. Okay, and just offset it inside, and now we can determine about the materials with using cladding in here. Okay, just like this, and now we can assign about the column materials in here. Okay, now we can triple click and push it up. Okay, and we can select a move tab control and just place. Okay, now we can make a repetitive one in here and select move and just place to the position in here. Okay, okay, just like this, and then now we can assign about the gray materials. Okay, and after that now we can assign about the water. Okay, we can place about the wood deck in here. Okay, we can select this pavement in here. We can select this pavement in here. Okay, now we can push it down in here. Okay, just like this, and now we can determine about the infinity pool. Okay, this is we have to push it to the down again in here. Okay, we can copy the surface, copy, and just make group and just paste, just place and make group in here. Sorry, we have to change skin in here. Okay, now we can select the landscaping and assign about the landscape materials in here. Okay, then now we can assign about the planetary. Okay, we can select the freehand. Okay, now we can select the tree and select a move tab control and just press the position in here, and now we can select the outdoor dining area in here and select move, and now we can determine about the wood materials in here with the several position in here. Okay, and then now we can make the silhouette. We can make more the silhouette people in here and on the position in here. Okay, then now we can activate about the shadow. Okay, and also activate about the profiles in here. Okay, so this is about the landscaping for the second design in here and the final design. Okay, just like this. And then this is for the first design, just like this. This is the first design of the modern luxurious villa in here, and this is the second design of the modern luxurious villa. So you can choose which one you want and which one you need, and so you can tap on the commenter below about the design, and you can add more insight of this design improvement. Thank you for watching. I hope it will be of benefit of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.